Alright, welcome back to the budget drift build. In the last episode we bought a BMW E36. It's only got two problems, one being that it has bad fuel and it kind of runs a bit weird, and the other a bit of a cooling problem. We'll get to that one later on, but today first off we'll get to the fuel. Now I figure if I drain the whole tank and then just put in some new fuel, run that for a little bit, hopefully that's all it needs. Otherwise we've got a much bigger problem.
Yeah, I can tell you right now that don't look too good. So, after a bit of time of just using the jiggle hose to actually get out the fuel, we've now got just under 40 litres of fuel. As you can see, this is what the top looked like. So kind of orange and that. And this is what the sediment looked like on the bottom. I know this is a dirtier bucket, but like there's obviously a fair difference between the two. So hopefully that's what the problem was. Now the fact that they're empty, I've got to actually get some new fuel and put some of that in and see if that is the problem. Alright, we've got the new fuel in. Let's see if it starts. Alright, so this is where we were up to before. I'll reverse it out. We'll see if we have any trouble. What we need now is just to see what it's like on its own. Like right now it's sitting pretty nice. Actually I'll just alright, we'll give it a little rev, and in theory it should stop at just around 1000, which it's doing. So alright, now let it idle for a bit, heat up, and see if maybe just putting the new fuel in is all it needed. Alright, so the fuel was the problem, so that was easy. Now, it's time to start prepping it to turn it into a drift car. Now, the first thing I think that it needs is a bit of a weight reduction. It's pretty heavy for being as low power as it is. So, I figured all the interior is going to become exterior. Anything I don't need, just rip it up and it's gone. Let's see how that goes. Right, so taking a fair bit of stuff out. I might have gone overboard. Oh yeah, I forgot about the ceiling. Oh, there's more weight. I was going to leave that one. Now I can't find the tool to undo that one, so that one's staying for the moment. But the rest are out. But yeah, I kind of took out a bit of weight. Now it's time to start counting everything. After counting everything that's coming out of it, come up to 105.4 kilograms, which I
Ideally, I would have wanted about 150 kilos, but like, I guess that is only the interior. We've still got a bit of the exterior, the interior plastic and stuff like that, and the wheel wells. I'll play around with what I don't need. See what people have done on the internet. I don't know, if anything, I'm definitely going a new bumper, so it means that one's gone, maybe a lighter one on top. Take out the fog lights, really just remove as much weight as I can because this needs as much help as it can get. Now being 110 kilos lighter, it's a little bit closer to what I wanted it to be. Now till the next video, I've got to wait because I've actually ordered some parts because the next thing we're working on is the cooling system. BMWs, specifically this type, is pretty bad on their cooling, and especially this one. It just sitting there idle, you can feel it starts to heat up. So I feel like new radiator, new fan, and just remove the thermostat should be enough, hopefully, and just make it like a manual switch on the fan is all it really needs. I don't think there's, as far as I know, there's no problem with overcooling something. So if you think that's a bad idea, put that in the comments, because really I'm going kind of blind into this. Yeah, apart from that, we're waiting on a few other modifications for future videos and stuff like that, waiting on parts. So have some patience. And I'll see you next time.